Did you know there's a proper sequence for disconnecting your battery and also the right sequence for connecting it back? So the proper sequence for disconnecting any battery is to make sure you remove your negative terminals first and then the positive terminals. And when you're putting back your battery, you connect the positive terminal first, then you put the negative terminal last. Why, if you may ask? The negative terminal is connected to the chassis of the body. So most time when you disconnect this first, there's a high probability of spark if this touches any part of the body, and which may damage your ECU. So this is the ECU of the car, the brain box. Some people call it the brain box. Disconnecting it wrongly might damage your ECU or other electronic components in the car. So whenever you're going to disconnect your battery, just follow this sequence and save yourself some headache down the line. I'll be showing you how to install a new battery or how to connect a battery back to the car. So we'll begin by connecting the positive terminals and also make sure they are properly secured. Make sure you properly tighten the terminals. If you don't do this, corrosion might begin to build up on the terminals. You might have your car not starting properly due to the loose terminal. Then once you're done with the positive terminals, you connect your negative terminals last. And also make sure that your terminals are properly tightened. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please, if you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you for watching.